Me not understand urban, but you say a little bit up, you say a little bit. Urban you disappear, you feel a whistle when you turn sideways, move your nastiness and way. Yeah, come about Kay. But Kay, I'm going to make a lot of money off it. And Kay really listen to listen to all of you know. Eh? I'm a belly a cramp me. Twep Twep and Kay argue. You know, see them two orange girl you want to put me in a problem. Why them can't behave themselves and keep quiet? Eh? Why them not? Me say them cuss the one another, you know. I'm a belly a cramp me. Them cuss them one another. But me I tell you the over side me truly depend. Cause you know say you have a big side because of the internet this. I mean now go tell a lie. Me depend the two of them side. Me depend the two of them side, yeah man. Me can't bother. Me just can't bother because me want to tell the truth people. I mean no want nobody say me a hypocrite. You know so when time I did in my class nasty twep in Africa, you know. My class when me hear the argument in my robot dirty twep in my mind though. My robot dirty twep and then when me hear Kay, my robot nasty Kay for twep you know. My robot nasty Kay for twep in my mind though. Somebody didn't know me I wrestle with myself and I said no man I have to come up with that total. I have to come up with that total. So me listen over about the argument again people, right? I'm a robot dirty twep you know. Dirty twep for Kay and then me hear Kay argument no my robot dirty Kay for twep you know my robot dirty Kay for twep and then my body still a puzzle and me just to come suck me a body because the total a balance me come up with me never see that yet in a man a balance me come up with so me just put up the argument me forget the argument yeah man me can't bother eh yeah man my body I fight my mind. The total was balanced. Me can't bother. Me give up. Me give up them two girls they come for run me to a Rick and me not depend it with them. Because it will end up for me turn on and class the two of them and them not trouble me, you know. Because me not even know how the arguments start. And I say when them I feel my body a draws and a draws. And I say no man is a dancer for money. No. But in all fairness, me have to talk to them because this not right before God and all mankind. Me can't go through this. Yeah. Oh, I reached back 5 years ago. Me don't know. But we in a business with the argument over yesterday, yeah? We in a business. Then what a way urban she come for Kay and say, Kay, if I start cursing you, I am going to make money. Urban just sit down with your lollipop looking surgery. Go sit down urban with your lollipop looking surgery. You favor the remake of Macy. You favor the meme with them up on the app. Yeah, the image there with them up. Move your nastiness. Urban move from your side. Urban not provoke me, you know. Nobody not for lose weight. Nobody not for lose weight. For please urban. I want the urban. Walking matches stick in a wig. Too much. Urban, me never telling a lie. You look like this. Trust and believe, no doubt about it. You favor this urban. Me not tell no dirt up, no. Your lip fatter than your body. Your little head a wobbly, you see man. Your little head one white line and balance. Me don't know what the urban in the day, you know. And she selling, She selling just done. You see selling just the Lord. I want to bust your head with my phone. You're too delusional, man. I want to look in your head in about your body and a wobble. You wobble like enough of sexuality. You wobble, man, urban. Sometimes I can't do an argument, you know, with every see your price I go. Everything just a race. So sometimes I can't do a loose argument, you know, urban. Donald Trump work on naturalization and green card. You sure say you're stable. You sure say you're stable and what if I do the inner house? What if I do the Jackie or the inner house? I don't understand urban, but you say a little bit up, you say a little bit. Urban you disappear, you feel a whistle when you turn sideways, move your nastiness and way. Yeah, come about Kay. But Kay, I'm going to make a lot of money off it. And Kay really Kay listen to listen to all of you know. Eh? Urban. Kay really Kay listen to you know. Twep Twep forgot. Oh, I shall dress. But to back no could have class the people in my life, me now pick up phone or we now discuss Twep Twep and Kay because as bad to bad, we and them a friend over here, so we now pick the side or we now class the girl them a forgot fight. The girl them a forgot work on them own. Me not depend that nobody never come from a program and talk about Twep Twep for this and Kay for that. Me not depend that we not chat them. Remember me I play hypocrite, we not chat them. All we don't want to hear who wrong or who right, we not chat them. Me don't know all the arguments stop, me not even know say them a did friend. Me not chat them. Me not chat them more than just go and listen and enjoy the show. Me not chat them, you talk about Twep Twep for this and Twep Twep for that. Remember we not like Kay either. Remember the crowd is mixed, so me a stand off. Yeah. Me like the two of them, so me not chat them. Me about it. Me not go do it. I'm not going to do it, me not talk them. Them are cause Jaden wife. Them not cause Jaden wife. Landale just said Jaden wife don't look good without makeup. And the boy opinion, when them want sound mix up our wife opinion. When Jaden wife the wrong now, I try come on live and prove to him. You know them something my girl, you look good and the argument done. You don't need nobody for pass, yeah. That's a foolishness, nobody get common with everybody. Nobody get common because everything you answer to. That unnecessary. Because Landale just attack when enough people attack to subconsciously. You don't look ugly to me. You look like a beautiful young lady to me. You don't look ugly to me. But for them opinion, you don't need to go up and live with nobody. You just approve to the world now, say Jaden not have nothing special. I just saw you come a baby. You don't do that with Jaden fight your battle. Remember him alone a black him and go. Remember him come and you know, I come and himself. Landale say what him say and him say what him say. You're not supposed to hurt you. You're beautiful. You're not supposed to hurt you. A Landale image, which by Landale probably people are not looking like you. Maybe you have a weird beauty that he doesn't understand. But that's his opinion. Enough girl on the app though pretty. Enough girl on the app beauty drown. And wig makeup and filter make them look good. A whole heap of people on the app, a whole heap of girl if you rip them to part them favor spectrum. And it's just the truth, a whole heap of boy on the app don't look good. Enough boy on the app don't look good. You think a joke? A whole heap of boy on the app when I see some girl promote, me say yak. Me say them man you have to take out a desperation. Then it's true. But I saw it stay.